Iteration structure. In Python, an iteration structure is used to repeat a block of code multiple times. The two main types of iterative statements are the for loop and the while loop. Let us explore these two iterative statements. The for loop. The for loop is also known as a definite loop because it repeats a block of statements for a fixed number of times. The block of statements is determined by the indentation. The for loop can be used in two ways: using sequence, using range. Let us discuss them one by one. Using sequence. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence, such as a list, tuple, string, or range, and execute a block of code for each element in the sequence. The basic syntax of a for loop is as follows. For variable in sequence. Code block executed for each item. Here, a variable is any valid identifier that accesses each item of the sequence on each iteration. The loop continues until we reach the last item in the sequence. The code block under the for loop is executed for each item in the sequence. Example. For X in Java, Python, HTML, JavaScript, XML. Print. Output. Java, Python, HTML, JavaScript, XML. Using range. Syntax. For var in range, start, end, step. Code block executed for each value in range. Where start, end, and step are parameters of the range function and will always be integers. The parameters of the range function can be used as follows. Start, optional the starting value of the sequence. If omitted, it defaults to 0. Stop, required the end value of the sequence. This value is not included in the sequence. Step, optional the step size between values in the sequence. If omitted, it defaults to 1. Some examples of the for statement with the range function. Code. Output. For a in range 1, 4, 1. Print, artificial intelligence. Print, end of loop. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. End of loop. For I in range 6. Print, I. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For I in range 10, 16. Print, I. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For I in range 2, 10, 2. Print, I. 2, 4, 6, 8. For I in range 15, 10, minus 1. Print, I. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Write a program to print even numbers between 100 and 150. Output. Write a program to create a list of fruits and print them. Output.